Hi, I'm Ronald with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking about hard drives. This is a hard drive from a computer, and not a day goes by that we don't have a customer coming in with a failed hard drive for one reason or the other. And the biggest thing that I get asked is, how could my hard drive fail? Well, let's have a look at it. This is what it looks like on the inside of a hard drive. And these platters are spinning at 7,200 times every single minute. This needle is going backwards and forwards and reading the data that's being stored on this hard drive. Now, if you just look at the mechanics of that, you've got to know that sooner or later, this is going to fail. In addition to that, you've got things like electricity surges, lightning strikes, water damage. There's so many ways that a hard drive can fail. It's not a matter of if it's going to fail, it's when it's going to fail. Every single hard drive ever produced is going to fail. It's a matter of time. So it's very important to back up your data. Of course, the new hard drives, like the M2s or your solid state, there's no moving parts, so you don't have that. But these can still fail. And when these fail, generally the data's gone. Sometimes with these, we can run data recovery and get the data off it. When a solid state goes, it's gone. So that's why it's important to make sure that you run a hard drive test regularly to make sure that your hard drive is in good condition and have a good backup. Your data should be in 2 or 3 different places. Impress Computers also has a managed service offering for business clients. And for those people, we actually monitor the health of your computer, and we're tracking what's happening to the health of your computer, your processes, as well as things like integrity of your entire network. So if you're running a business, that's a good option because we proactively fix the problems before they become a bigger issue. I'm Ronald with Impress Computers, and we're here to solve your problems. Give us a call, 281-647-9977.